Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to set up the alarm clock on this smart band. So let's get started. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen, and you can do it by tapping on it. Then swipe up on the screen to open the menu, look for the alarm icon, which looks like this, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the alarm menu. As you can see, I don't have any alarms yet, but if you want to set up the alarm, you tap on plus button to add one, then set the time on which the alarm should go off, then tap on the check mark, and now we can customize it a bit further. We can tap on repeat option, and you can select once, daily, custom. Once will go off once basically and won't repeat. Daily will repeat daily basically, and custom you can select specific days if you want to. And then you can tap on the check mark. And then we have the smart wake option. You can enable it, and what it does, it basically tries to wake you up before your alarm goes up, like 10-minute window before. And you can enable this option if you want to. Then tap on the check mark and the alarm should be added. And you can turn it on and off rather. You can also add multiple alarms, so we can set up another one. You can edit the alarms by tapping on one, and then you can change the options. You can change the time, change the repeat option, enable or disable the smart wake. You can also remove the alarms by tapping on delete. And once you're done, you can simply swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this smart band. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.